Knuckle idioms. British.com. Knuckle down. When you knuckle down to something, you start doing it with determination and seriousness. You need to knuckle down to your studies if you are going to pass your exams. Near the knuckle. Something which is very close to being indecent or offensive is described as near the knuckle. Some modern comedians get a bit near the knuckle in order to get noticed. White knuckle ride. A terrible, exciting, or dangerous journey you survive only by holding on tight is a white knuckle ride. I really hate those white knuckle rides they have in theme parks. Knuckle under. To unwillingly accept what somebody else demands of you is to knuckle under. The management will never knuckle under to the striker's demands.